what we are simply going to do in the example of conditional formatting, we are going to apply the conditions in our data. And what simply we will do, first you will select the data and go to the conditional formatting in a home tab. Home tab is over here and conditional formatting over here. Just go and select one of the condition. Let's suppose I am going this highlight cell rules. In this, the first one is the greater than condition. I will select this and see there they have shown the number 14. And what they have done, they have selected all the cells are in red bold which are greater than 14, because in this portion they are asking format the cells that are greater than 14. If I select OK over here, what will happen? All the cells that are greater than 14 are in red color. You can easily see them that they all are in red color, in which the number is greater than 14. All the cells having greater than 14 digit number, they all are selected. In a similar way again, if you want to change your condition, what you will do, you will select this again for the whole data and go to conditional formatting, and from there let's select the option between. Let's see what it's showing. Select it between, format the cell that are between 12 and 17. They have given the number. You can even change that number and you can write 14 over here, and you can write 16 over here. Make sure that the number starting should be the smaller than the number you are ending with, should be greater. See this, what changes it has shown. Okay, then what else we can do? We can also select any different condition. Again, going to conditional formatting from less than condition. In less than condition, they are saying format cells that are less than this. Okay, format cell that are less than 15. Let's suppose I have done 15. You can choose any other color also. Let's have a yellow fill. Do it again, and then you can have this. Less than 15 means 12, 10, 14, 13. Even 14.5 can also be there. 12.5, 10.5. All these values that are lesser than a number 14. Okay. So this is how the conditional formatting can be applied, and you have the various other options. It depends upon you what sort of condition you want. Let's suppose have data bars. Data bars can be implemented also, and see how the data bar has been implemented. It is on the digit, on the highest digit that is there. Okay, so this is what all the conditional formatting is.